All right, cheesy smoked brisket sandwich. Let's jump into this. We got a full packer American Wagyu brisket. I want to take my 7-inch fillet knife and trim off all the fat. I want to make a maximum bark as possible. So once it's trimmed up, heavily season all sides. This is going to smoke for a total of 16 hours. 12 hours later, the next day, this is what it's looking like. Now we want to wrap it and get it nice and tender. Adding beef broth and beef tallow from the fat that I trimmed off. That rendering will go in there too to add some more beefy flavor. Put it back on for a few hours, let it rest for 2 hours, and this is the end result. Bark, juiciness, tenderness. We want the bread, the mayonnaise, and this is just cheese, brisket, cheese, and briskets. Get that sandwich on there, put a dome on it, melt that cheese, and the end result is this delicious brisket cheesy sandwich.